Hi everybody, it's Jody. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my Recollections vertical planner using this gorgeous kit, this wings kit from Lyn Co. It is absolutely stunning with rose gold foiling and it's completely foiled. Every single page has foil. The paper's like butter and it's just a beautiful, beautiful kit. So I'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to first lay down the bottom washi, and it comes in 2 strips. So it's going to be really pretty. I'm a little bit out of frame here, but I do fix it after a little bit. So you can see how pretty this is looking laid down. It's been quite a long time since I've filmed. I'm a little bit rusty and haven't done a voiceover for a very, very long time. So bear with me. I'm sure I'm going to mess something up. Like I do right now, I ripped the bottom washi, and if it could get any worse, now it's stuck to the day covers. This is going to be clearly a hot mess video today because it's my own fault. I haven't been at it for a while. So let's try and get this laid down straight, which you know I'm going to struggle with because it's me. So I'm going to have to take the scissors and cut this little piece off, and then I can do sticker surgery. Leave it to me to be bam bam and tear it when I'm trying to get it off, but it's good now. So let's get the second strip laid down. So as I said, it's been quite some time since I've filmed. No excuse. I just have been busy doing other things and haven't made time to film. So hopefully I can get back to a more regular schedule and provide more content for you. So I'm going to put down the sidebar box, and it's so pretty, this quote box. It says, "Embrace the change. The outcome is beautiful." That's really pretty. What a nice sentiment. I'm loving this butterfly kit. Everything these days seems to be butterflies. It's a big trend, and I'm here for it. I am all in for the butterflies. You give me butterflies, and I'm super happy. So I'm just going to be laying down these full boxes. They're beautiful, and so I'm just going to split up the colors a little bit. Make sure I've got them balanced. The pink, the yellow, and the pattern on either side. So how has everybody been? I know you can't answer me. Maybe you can in the comments below. It's been absolutely gorgeous here. We're in Canada, and we've had a very overall warm spring. I was outside yesterday. It was 29 Celsius, which is, you know, in the 80s. It was absolutely stunning day. So I was out the entire day. Didn't come in the house until I needed to make dinner, and that was begrudgingly, and then went back out to have a little cocktail on the porch so we could enjoy the rest of the evening. Today's a little bit dreary. I'm sure you can see by my lighting. It's just not quite bright enough. I've been struggling with it with doing photos as well to try and catch the foil without too much glare, without looking grainy. So it's been a thing. So I'm going to use the headers, the patterned headers. So I'm going to use the small butterflies over the full boxes. And I'm just going to get them all off the page and put them on my wrist, as everybody seems to do. It's the easiest way to get them in into the planner without struggling to get them off the page every single day. So this is looking really beautiful already. Lyn Co is going to be in the Made in Canada sale, which is this coming weekend, May the 7th to the 9th. The shop will be 35% off, which is huge, and you definitely want to check her out. She's got beautiful kits. She's got icons. She's got character stickers and some gorgeous foil deco. Some that you'll see a little bit throughout the spread. And so you'll want to take advantage of the sale. The code will be released on Friday. And remember to put Jody in notes to receive my freebie. So now I'm going to go onto the sidebar and get the header down. I'm just going to use the pink color. There was 4 different kinds of 4 colors for headers in the kit. So I thought I would save the other 2 for future spreads and use the pink one for the sidebar. And here I'm struggling to get everything down straight, as I always do. I love these colors. They're just so bold. That's a departure for me. Normally I do quite muted tones in my kits, but Lyn Co, Holly tends to do things on the bold side, and tell you what, I'm just loving all of it. give me all the bold and gold and foil and brightness that you can. So I'm going to put the last full box at the bottom of the sidebar, and I'm going to be a little bit out of frame again. I apologize for that. There's a few spots during the video that I am, and I believe I put the rest of the bottom washi, the butterfly part in the bottom to finish off the column. Hopefully I get a little bit better with keeping you in frame. So I can't believe it's May already. It is crazy how fast this year has flown by. This is back planning for last week, which was April, I don't know what day it was, until May the 2nd. April the 25th, I think, to May 2nd. So it was the week of the Planner Girls United sale. It's just ended. We had a really good sale. Lots of great shops. The next sale will be in May the 25th to the 29th. And lots of great shops. So you just want to check that out. Lots of good freebies and discounts. So I'm talking through this day. First down I put PGU. It's a custom script from the Prairie Planner. That's to mark the giveaway that went live that Monday. And next I put down the coffee cup from Winterfield Studios to mark coffee with a movie in the morning. And then a foil circle from Graceful Muse Papery, and a planner laptop from Pink Polka Dot Lily to mark PGU work and shop work. And then I used an icon from White Deer Stationery to show that I changed out the bird feeders. And I finished off the day with an icon, a television from Winterfield Studios, and a script from the Prairie Planner that was a Harry Potter movie. Started Tuesday, I have got a telephone down from Winterfield Studios, and the second icon is a laptop again from Pink Polka Dot Lily, and some floral deco from Lyn Co. I'm not sure where the washing machine came from. On to Wednesday, it is payday, and I'm marking it in a pretty way. This butterfly box is just so pretty. So payday script is from So Cute Planner. Next I'm marking budget, and I'm marking it with the calculator from Sticker 11, and then the grocery bag there is from Sticker 11 as well. Now I'm taking a scalloped mandala from Simply Beautiful Plans, and a circle box from the Pretty Pink Co, sorry, and a wine glass from Winterfield Studios. And I'm marking that a friend is coming for drinks that evening, and it was a very nice night. First time we've been entertained since Christmas, because Ontario has been in quarantine again, on lockdown. So third wave is hit, and we're trying to get through it the best we can. So my friend has been vaccinated, so he came to visit, which was very nice. So now I'm marking the PGU sale started on the Thursday. Once again, it is finished now. Then I put another bird feeder from White Deer Stationery to mark that the Orioles have come back for the season. And then that's a squiggle from Pretty Pink Co. I don't know why I keep calling it Pink Room Co. Then another circle, foil circle from Graceful Muse Papery, and a nail polish sticker from a shop that is no longer in business. And then I marked some with a laptop May graphics when I did some graphics for the May sale. So I'm once again marking payday. This is our second payday that week, which is really nice. I love when we get 2 paydays in a week. Then I'm putting down another floral decal from Lyn Co and a shopping bag from White Deer Stationery to mark I bought all of the stickers that day. And then another circle dot from Graceful Muse Papery, and a laptop from Pink Polka Dot Lily. Jeez. And then I planned off the screen, as I did earlier, and this time I didn't catch it, so I'm very sorry. I marked planning, wind down, and Handmaid's Tale. I watched the first 3 episodes. Oh my God, I am so into it. I was just on the edge of my seat, so excited. That grocery script is from Winterfield Studios, and I went back and marked it on the Wednesday. I had forgotten to put that down. So now I'm putting a flag from the kit and a seed package from White Deer Stationery to mark that I did some planning for my fall bulbs and my garden planting, because I wanted to get my fall bulbs ordered. That gorgeous mandala was from Simply Beautiful Plans. Now I'm laying down a phone from Winterfield Studios to mark calling my mom, and this gorgeous foil butterfly from Winterfield Studios as well. She's got a full sheet of those, and they are stunning, and they're available in gold, silver, rose gold, and holographic. Then I finished off the day with another floral deco piece from Lyn Co, and I'm just showing these. I brought these up to use, but I didn't bring them in the spread, and they were floral clusters from Winterfield Studios.